A young woman, Mia, sits on a worn-out couch in a small, dimly lit apartment, staring at a pile of overdue bills. Her face reflects exhaustion and hopelessness. Mia walks down a crowded city street in the pouring rain, holding a broken umbrella. She slips and falls, scattering papers. Mia sits in her apartment, looking at a flyer Ethan gave her for a community entrepreneurship workshop. She hesitates, then takes a deep breath and decides to attend. Mia begins working on her small business idea, creating handmade candles. A montage shows her designing labels, working late nights, and delivering her first orders. Mia stands proudly at her first pop-up shop, customers admiring her work and purchasing her candles. Ethan visits, smiling and proud. The screen fades to Mia reflecting on her journey in her now renovated bright apartment.